When buying an appliance package for less than $30,000, you'll be forced to make choices with brands and appliances. For over $30,000, you really don't, depending on what you want. In this video, you'll learn all your best options, the best brands, and how you choose what works for you. In the end, you'll learn 2 questions you must ask before buying any luxury brands. Your appliance dealer won't be happy. Look at this kitchen. It's one of my favorites. With the Cornue Chateau Supreme, coffee maker, steam and speed ovens, wine storage, and several integrated refrigerators. The range alone is $250,000. The sky's the limit, but let's start by figuring out what's right for you. The main refrigerators of choice are either professional or integrated. Professional style refrigerators are all-in-one units and range in size from 30 to 48 inches. Integrated refrigerators are typically column style. You typically buy 2 or more units, 1 fridge and 1 freezer in different sizes, 18, 24, 30, and 36 in different combinations. Now you can also buy an all-in-one unit that's integrated at the larger 42 and 48 inch sizes from both Thermador and SKS. Of course, you can also buy point of use refrigerator or freezer drawers and then put them in your kitchen island. Then you have separate ice makers, beverage centers, as well as wine storage. You can buy a wine and beverage center as an under-counter unit, as well as the larger built-in sizes. Your biggest decision still will be deciding between wall ovens and a cooktop or a pro range. Buy a pro range in different sizes from 30 to 60 inches. Wall ovens tend to have more functionality, but this really depends. For cooktops, you can buy an induction cooktop or a range top. No matter what you choose, you also have the option to buy some secondary ovens that will improve your cooking. Steam ovens are popular now because of the healthiest way of cooking by infusing moisture, not baking out nutrients like a regular oven. Speed ovens can be used as a microwave, a convection oven, or a combination of both to save you time without that rubbery texture of a microwave. Warming drawers keep food warm for up to 3 hours, which is good if you're cooking earlier and then serving later. My sister makes a blueberry latte in her Mila coffee system that's fantastic. The Gaggenau will allow you to brew 34 different kinds of coffee, so you do have choices. You have plenty of options for ventilation, like just buying the blower and creating your own custom look. But there's some interesting hoods if you want a focal point in your kitchen, like Monogram's brass hood or other custom hoods by Aga, La Cornue, or Blue Star. You want a quiet dishwasher, and you may want to put a panel on it. If you do buy a panel-ready dishwasher, make sure to buy a European brand like Miele or Bosch. European panel-ready dishwasher is designed to fit flush to your cabinet once the panel is installed, so it won't protrude past your cabinet unlike American dishwashers. You can still spend $1,000 for a Bosch or up to $3,500 for the best Miele. Gaggenau is a unique industrial look and is the best choice if you know how to cook. You can control the oven in 1-degree increments and even control the percentage of steam in their steam ovens. Their induction cooktops are the best. However, they do not make a pro range. La Cornue is an extremely luxurious brand that only produces professional ranges that are fully customizable. You can design the cooktop with a combination of induction burners, a grill, griddle, gas burners, or French top. You can even have a gas and electric oven on their larger ranges for moist and dry heat. You can even choose from 50 colors or create your own as well with their custom trims. True is a giant commercial refrigerator company that designs residential refrigerators 10 years ago in 14 colors and 6 hinge accents. These colorful refrigerators are a great way to distinguish your kitchen. Sub-Zero Wolf is recognized for having the best refrigerators and solid pro ranges and wall ovens. Their steam ovens are excellent as well. Miele's M-Touch controls with steam assist is an easy way to improve your cooking. Their pro ranges, wall ovens, and steam ovens will calculate cooking times and are the easiest appliances to use. You should also consider Blue Star. They have 1,000 colors to choose from. SKS, Thermador for solid pro ranges, and Monogram for a distinctive style for a less expensive price than the others. So you really need to determine what you need and what you'll use, but you have 2 other considerations, and the last one will change the way you buy. The first is installation. Who will be installing all this sophisticated equipment? Your general contractor, cabinet shop, appliance dealer? Figure that out to save yourself from tremendous future aggravation, because many GCs no longer want the installation liability. Now the real decision maker. You have some good choices between Sub-Zero, Miele, Gaggenau, and Thermador, among others. You could end up spending the equivalent of a luxury car to get your dream kitchen. But unlike the luxury car businesses, most appliance brands offer 0 service. If your $250,000 La Cornue range breaks, who's fixing it? One of the deciding factors before you buy any luxury brand is to figure out what brand offers the best service in your area. That Mueller coffee system does brew a mean blueberry latte, but only when it works. So what do you think? If you want to learn more about the best luxury brands, click here, and thanks for watching.